Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover a lost receipt with Mint, full guide step by step clearly. To recover a lost receipt with Mint, first, open the Mint app or website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Transactions section. Here, you will find a list of all your financial transactions. Look for the transaction related to the receipt you need. Once you locate it, click on that transaction for more details. You may see an option to attach a receipt if it wasn't uploaded previously. If you don't see a receipt attached, don't worry. Instead, check for any notes or tags related to that transaction. These can provide context on the expense and make it easier to remember. If the transaction isn't there, consider checking your email for any confirmations. Search for keywords related to the purchase or the store name that you used. Once you find an email confirmation, you can easily retrieve details about the transaction. If still no luck, reach out to the retailer directly. Many retailers can reissue receipts using your transaction history. Provide them with the necessary details, such as the date of purchase and amount spent. Once you have the new receipt, you can upload it to Mint. Go back to the transaction you started with and select the option to attach a receipt. Upload the new receipt file and save the changes. Now your financial records are updated and accurate. Regularly check your transactions to ensure everything is properly recorded. Having a reliable system for managing receipts can save time and stress in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.